We are installing a wattle ditch check. This is going to be a straw wattle that we'll install on top of a geotextile underlay. So when it comes to installation, we need to trench in our underlay, so you need to be aware of where that trench is going to go. Once our trench is dug, we'll use a reverse trenching method similar to erosion control blankets, where we'll put the fill material for the trench on the downstream side, put the underlay on the upstream side, place the underlay in the trench, staple it, backfill it with that fill material, and then drape our underlay back over top of that and downstream of our trench. We'll sod staple that in down the center and on the sides, and with that the underlay is complete. Now we can add our ditch check. Now for the wattle ditch check, we'll use grade stakes and sod staples to anchor it in place. Once we lay out where the wattle needs to go, we'll use the grade stakes on the upstream and downstream side to anchor it in place. And then we'll come back with sod staples. The grade stakes need to be no more than 3 feet apart, and our sod staples are typically installed no more than 6 inches apart. Research has shown that it's best to use a non-destructive staking method, so the A-frame method, where we angle the grade stakes into the wattle upstream and downstream versus driving it directly through the center, will prolong the practice. Once the product's installed, the biggest thing you want to do is make sure you're getting that ground contact. If you do all those things, there's a good chance you'll get a practice that creates a good impoundment and will be part of your overall treatment train for your site. For more information, visit our website at stormwater.auburn.edu.